When I ask you, what do you do to customize your device? What comes to mind? Are you like a set of wallpaper and forget it kind of person? If you're on Android, do you change your launcher, maybe change your icons, maybe root it or jailbreak your phone, mess with the animations? Are you a customization through a case kind of person? Does your case show that your phone is yours? Or hell, do you even build your own phone to look the way you want it to? All of those are okay. I'm not telling you that you're wrong, but I want to show you my favorite way to customize my device. It is very inexpensive, very easy to change or redo or undo, and might have an addiction to it. So, without further ado, let's talk about skins. Now this is a different type of video, I know that going into it, but it's one that I like the idea of, because I like the concept of skinning your devices. I'm never really that big into cases unless they serve a functional purpose. So like here with my S22 Ultra, I have a MagSafe case on it, so that way I can use my my battery pack and all the other things. I'm not really big on cases, but I do want some of the protection that they offer. And fortunately, there's an option in skins. Now there's a whole bunch of different places you can get skins or wraps from. Today, they're not sponsoring this video per se, but they are helping me to get some of the skins that we're gonna talk about later in the video. We're gonna be going through Slick Wraps. Now, they've had a massive overhaul to their entire business in the past like 3 or 4 months. They have a brand new website from the ground up. They've got better support than they had. It was pretty good before. Now it's like exceptional. And their turnaround times from when you actually like order to when they confirm your order to ship it out to it being delivered is very, very quick. So we're gonna hop over to the iMac real quick and let's buy some skins. So this is their website. They've got a Father's Day promotion going on right now. We'll talk a little bit about what's going on here in a second. But if you scroll down a little further, show you some of the popular devices, you know, the 13 Pro Max, the MacBook Pro 14, Series X. And they have some of the special ones down here. We come up here, we can go to devices and we can see that they have a ton of different categories to pick from phones to tablets, to cameras, drones, headphones, everything. They've got hundreds of different skins for nearly every device that's at least semi-modern. So let's go through, let's pick a couple out. I want my S10e has seen better days. So you can see, let me just go back, these are all their Samsung phones, just the phones. And they've got everything going back like 4 years, 5 years maybe. But again, I want my my S10e. So they got some wood, they got carbon fiber, camo, stone. They've got a glow in the dark skin, which I've never actually bought from them, but I think would be really, really good on like an Apple TV remote. They've got a naked skin, which is just clear vinyl. So it shows what's on the back of your phone if you like the color, but you want like a little bit of scratch protection. And an oil painting, do they still offer it for this phone? Ah, here it is. Transparent. So I want to see the guts of my S10e because the back is super scratch. Of course, they're not gonna show me an image of it. You can see here, this is what it looks like. It basically, they scan what the inside of the phone looks like and then they print it on a sheet of vinyl and you just stick it on your phone. So I'm gonna go back to my S10e here. I'm gonna add that to my cart. So let's go back here. Let's go look at accessories for just a quick sec. I want an AirTag skin. Yeah, like the retro, the 6 colors Apple logo, glow in the dark, which would be pretty cool. I want a stone one. I want it to look like a pebble. Ooh, I like that. We'll come back to this in a minute. That looks nice. We'll throw that in the cart. And you can see we got confetti, which means we've qualified for free shipping. Pink looks nice, but ooh, yep, that's the one. I don't even need to see the others. That's the one I want. We'll go one that I had a while ago, but I put on wrong, so it fell off. Go to orange. No, that's red. Orange. Apple Watch SE. 5 skins for 55 bucks. Not bad. Ooh, don't tip that over. But what if you've browsed their entire selection and they all suck? You hate them. You think you can do better. I challenge you to do better because you can. So what you do, we'll go over here for, just get the iPad. You can upload whatever image you want to their website and it gives you this template right here. Going to upload an image. We'll upload and it'll take a couple seconds. There you go. Drag it around and change it and do whatever you want. You can see where it will line up with things like the camera or the charge port, the smart connectors, which I've actually done to my own iPad Pro. But you can put family photos in the back of your phone, you can make your own custom skin for your company, whatever you want. I think we're just going to view my cart and we'll just check out. And with that all ordered up, we'll come back in a couple days when it shows up and we'll slap them on some devices. So it's been a couple days and our skins have arrived. One thing to make note of is the packaging is entirely eco-friendly. I have been in here already just to make sure they all came. It's like tissue paper or whatever. You can see here we have our skins. So we're gonna take a look at what we got here. So we got 4 microfiber cloths. We got our stone concrete AirTag skin. We got a transparent skin for the S10e. We got a couple pieces, or all the pieces I guess, to the granite Galaxy S9 skin. We got an orange Apple Watch SE 44mm skin. And then we got 2 Pixel 4 skins, one for just the back and then one for back and the sides. I think I'm just gonna use the back for now. So let's start with the smallest one, the AirTag. There we go, there's the light. A little too excited to film this, I forgot to turn my light on. So what we're gonna grab one of these microfiber cloths, clean the surface a little bit, make her nice and shiny. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab one with the logo cut out, position it, oop, that is not aligned. Here's what I'm gonna do, here's a sheet. Stick it back to the paper and use that to our advantage, kind of position it the way we want. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it that time. Smooth it out, make sure it's properly adhered, and there you go. A stone AirTag. And I guess we'll put the other side on, peel it, throw it on, and hope it's centered. Yeah, that looks good enough. Let's unplug that and plug in my super scientific heat gun that definitely is not a hairdryer. That is barely in the wall, but we'll go with it. Okay, and then we can smooth out the edges so that way they conform the curvature of the actual AirTag. Now all the edges are smoothed out. It looks like I got it pretty centered. There you go. Just turn our AirTag into a pebble. Nice. Next up, S10e. So this one I'm super excited to actually put on because my S10e is scratched to all hell and back. So this, we're just gonna completely get rid of the back. Sort of. Not really. But we're gonna stick the transparent skin on it. I'm gonna give her a little clean first. Start with the easy part, the camera module. Peel this off the paper, put it down into place. So far, so good. Next, we do the rest of it. And that's about as clean as it's gonna get. So now, we just give her a peel. Again, I'm gonna cheat with my method. Put it on the paper like little plus. I'm going to line her up with the camera. Okay, that looks good. Now we take the paper out, smooth it out as we go. I think that's good. That looks good. What do you guys think? Nary a scratch in sight. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. We are 2 in, and we have not had any catastrophic issues. Wood. Gonna knock on wood. I don't want to jinx myself. I'm gonna save the watch for later because I don't actually want to put it on this one. I want to put it on a different one. And I don't know where that one is at the moment. So, Pixel? Why not? What we're gonna do is we're going to just do the back. I will show what full body skins look like. I'll throw up some B-roll at the end of the video and I'm gonna do the same thing. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. This time we're going to try and landmark the G and the camera. Get my head in frame for a second so I can see what I'm doing. Just like that. Paper out. You can tell I've been doing this for a while, right? Been doing this for a couple of years now, putting skins on devices. I'm also scary good at putting on screen protectors. Push it down along the edges, and there we go. Got the orange Pixel that I've wanted for a very, very long time, but don't have the money to buy. There we go. And then if you wanted to, put on the camera, there you go. Orange Pixel. And last up for the video, we're gonna do the S9. Now this one's an interesting one because it includes a wrap for the front. We'll start with the back, we'll start with the easy parts. All right, so we'll start with the camera. Slide that in, just like that. Fingerprint sensor. Okay, first 2 are in. Can't really tell, but first 2 stickers are on. Now for the big scary one. We use the paper that came with the Pixel sticker. Stop it, stop it. All right, B-cam died because it's too hot, so I'm gonna hope I didn't lose too much of what I'm doing. But we have the skin on the back applied now, and I'm gonna be flying B-cam blind for a little bit because I want my phone to cool down. Let's do the top and bottom first. Okay, that looks pretty good. Pretty good. So if we just put our SIM tray back in. Nice. Push it down over the edges. That's hot, by the way. It's real hot.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
That's on pretty good. And we'll do the same with the bottom. And I want to landmark the headphone jack and the microphone. A little bit like that. Now we cook it. Nice. Now that, pretty smooth. Now for the sides. We're gonna start with the side with the power button first. That requires the fewest pieces. Okay. One piece is on. Okay, that's on. One side down. One more to go. Okay, other side is done. Got the marble all around. I'm actually going to turn you back off. Today's thanks. Now let's try our hand at the front ones. That's not bad, that's not bad. Hit her with some heat. Now for the bottom, and we're all done. Now we are all done. That looks gorgeous. So here we are, the 3 phones we did, and the AirTag. So I know I cut a bunch of this out and it's kind of jumpy, but it really is simple. It's easy. If you don't like the way I did it, they have their own videos. You can go watch them. And if for whatever reason you mess up, order the wrong skin, it comes torn in half, just hit them up, shoot them a support message, say, hey, this is my order number. My thing came messed up, or I put it on wrong and it's not sticky anymore. Help me out. They'll send you another one and you'll be good to go. And here they are, all done. These are the 3 phones we did. I'm also rocking the orange watch. I'll throw up some B-roll of some of my other personal favorites that I've ordered over the past couple of years. Again, it is dead simple, super easy, super quick, super convenient. Their shipping is really quick. I placed my order kind of a douche when I did it. I placed it at like 11 p.m. By like 2 p.m. the next day, they had created a shipping label, and then the next morning it was on the truck headed up towards me. But again, this is my favorite way to customize devices because it's so simple. You have so many options. It's something you can see even when your device is off, right? You know, wallpapers are cool, icons are cool, but like what happens when it's face down on the table? We don't see it. This is more of a statement. A couple of my favorites right now: the Smart Keyboard Folio for the iPads. I got one that looks like a composition notebook. Really cool. I like it a lot. And then this one I put on my 11 Pro Max. Makes it look like the innards of the Bondi Blue iMac. But they come in all kinds of colors, and as I mentioned, see here with my iPad Pro, you can make your own, do whatever you want, and it's really awesome. Huge shout out to Slick Wraps for helping me with making this video. They were actually nice enough to give you guys a discount code. So if you use my name, Technology&Toys with the little ampersand, you can get up to 50% off your order when you check out with my code. Huge shout out to them. Thank you for the code, guys. That's super generous of you. When you check out, there's like a little message. Tell them Jake sent you. Even if you don't use my code, tell them Jake sent you. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you believe this video deserves a like, I'd appreciate that. I'd also appreciate a subscription to the channel if you feel it deserves that. Let me know how you customize your device, and I'll see you guys in the next video.